If you're feeling stressed out, just do this. Tap on the side of your hand and repeat after me. Even though I feel so much stress, I completely love and accept myself. Even though this stress is weighing me down, I'm willing to release it and feel lighter now. Even though this stress is really intense, I accept how I feel and I'm open to letting it go now. Top of your head, I feel so much stress. Eyebrow point, everything going on is so stressful. Side of the eye, all this stress is overwhelming. Under the eye, I feel overwhelmed. Under the nose, this overwhelming stress. Chin point. All this stress is weighing me down. Collarbone. It makes my heart feel heavy. Under the arm, this heavy, overwhelming stress. Top of the head, I feel stressed out right now. Eyebrow point. This stress is really intense. Side of the eye, all this intense stress. Under the eye, it makes it hard for me to think clearly. Under the nose, it makes it hard for me to know what to do next. Chin point, I know everything would feel easier if I can release some of this stress. Collarbone. I want to feel lighter. Under the arm, but I still feel this overwhelming stress. Top of your head, with so much going on, it's natural to feel overwhelmed. Eyebrow point. I wonder if I could calm down the stress. Side of the eye. I wonder if I could release it. Under the eye, I want to feel calm and relaxed. Under the nose, I'm open to releasing this stress. Chin point. Maybe I could feel lighter. Collarbone. Maybe I could feel at peace. Under the arm, I'm willing to try to let go of some of this stress. top of your head. Maybe tapping can help relieve some of this stress. Eyebrow point. Maybe tapping can calm my mind. Side of the eye. Maybe I can let go of this overwhelmed feeling. Under the eye, maybe I can let go of this stress. Under the nose, I'm open to releasing this stress. Chin point. I'm willing to let go of this stress. Collarbone. I choose to feel calm and relaxed. Under your arm. I choose to let go of this stress now. Top of your head. I choose to release any and all stress from my body, mind, emotions, and energy field. Eyebrow point. I choose to release any and all overwhelm. Side of the eye. I choose to let go any and all stress now. Under the eye. Release any and all stress. Under the nose, release any and all overwhelm. Tip of the chin, release stress. Collarbone, release overwhelm. Under the arm, release. Now back to the side of your hand. I release any and all feelings of stress and overwhelm. Take a deep breath in and release. Repeat this tapping session until you experience a sense of stress relief. And watch this EFT video next if you feel any negativity towards yourself.